Hello, I am so glad that you are here today. So go ahead and come on in, get comfortable, grab a pen and a paper because we are going to want to take some notes. So this is just a little information about my journey and about how you can use these steps and insight to go ahead and start up your own brand from scratch. So we are going to talk about how to create a polished and profitable brand from scratch. Okay. So step one would be to write out your financial goals, write out your annual income in which you would like to achieve by working for yourself. The first step is to think about what expenses you already have, what things that you want to do that you haven't been able to do in the past. Go ahead and write out everything and calculate how much this would add up to. And this is going to give you your golden number, the number that you would need to make and earn as a full-time entrepreneur to stay at home. Once you have this number, you're going to divide this number by 12 because you want to find out what you need to make by the year and divide that into 12 for 12 months. You want to see how much you would need to make every month in order to be a full-time entrepreneur. So once you have that monthly goal number, you can divide it again by 4 to determine how much you would need to pay yourself weekly to have a weekly salary as a full-time entrepreneur. Once you have this golden number, this is how you're going to price your services or your products, whichever you choose to do. But this is specifically for service-based business owners who have a service and want to package this as an expert coaching program or VIP service. So what you're going to do is decide on how much you want to charge for your coaching package. And then once you have that number, you decide how many clients you need to fulfill your golden number. Once you have these numbers down together, you are going to use this to package your offer. Okay. Of course, we do want to do market research. We do want to look at the average pricing in our market, depending on the niche that you decide to pick. You're going to want to look at these numbers and compare. Maybe you want to be on the higher end, or maybe you want to fit right between, or who knows, you may want to be on the low end. I don't see why you would, but who knows? The price is all going to be up to you as your own business. You get to set your own prices. Okay. So step 2 would be to really dive deep and find out what would your service include. Okay, so what are you gifted at? What is your talents? What is your passion? What is the problem that you would solve for your ideal audience? Okay, so you want to take a look at your brand story and decide on how you would be able to use what you've already overcome to help your ideal audience overcome that challenge as well. Once you're able to review your whole story and pick out what were the vital key lessons, you're going to use everything you've learned from identifying your whole brand story to help someone else. You're going to turn this whole story into your signature coaching program. What you'll first do is create a signature framework, which is going to be your repeatable process. Your signature process is what's going to represent your work. This is going to be how you get your client from point A to point B. All you have to do is think about where you once were, where you are now, and the steps that it's taking you to get across that boarding point. So with your repeatable system, you're going to build that strong signature framework, and you're going to be able to confidently communicate your message with clarity, and you're going to use this in every single piece of your marketing system. Okay, so when you have this, you are going to create a program that's going to take your ideal audience where they are now to where they want to be. The steps that it has taken you are going to be the lessons that you teach in your actual program. These are also going to be the worksheets you give and provide. These are going to be the coaching sessions. You're going to use your story, your lessons, everything you've overcome to help the next person achieve their goal. So this process is how you package your expertise. Once you package your expertise, the 4th step would be to build it out into a signature course. So you're going to pick a platform to create an online course, and you're going to package up everything you know to teach it to someone who's starting from the very beginning all the way to the end. So you're going to plan out your curriculum, create videos, worksheets, and so forth. The deliverables that you feel will help your client get to that point of where they want to be. The first thing you need to keep in mind is you want to let them know what is the end result, what is the big solution that you have for them, what is it that they want to get out of your program. That's the main thing you need to realize when you are speaking to your ideal audience. So after you have this part out of the way, you will then begin to market your program by letting people know who you are, what you do, and why you are the solution to their problem. This is really a framework that gets repeated over time. So we dive deeper into this program and how you guys can create your own program from your signature framework and your signature story. But I'm not going to get that deep into it in this one short video. So if you want to know more about the Polished Sanity Vibe signature framework and how you can create a framework from your brand story to position your brand as the expert, be sure to click the link down below and visit our website at www.polished-society.com, and I'll be more than happy to help you polish in for the win. Until next time, if you are looking for another video to stay polished in for the win, click up here and click and watch the next video. Be sure to subscribe.